Make sure you pay attention to the spacing of the holes on the shaft. The one that has a gear. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to the next part of this Boom Racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 388 build. In this part of the series, we are going to go over building the transmission. And for that, you'll need these following parts. You'll need these parts right here, bags E and J, and 2-speed gear from this bag right here, the screws and gears. This part of the build will cover step 4 through 6 in the manual. For step 4.1, you'll need these following parts. You'll need one M2.5 by 8 countersunk screw, 4 M2 by 5 countersunk screws, one 7 by 11 by 3 ball bearing, and one 5 by 11 by 4 ball bearing. You also need the shaft right here, the input shaft, and these two parts. And that completes step 4.1. For step 4.2, the 2-speed gear setup is already pre-installed or pre-built. For step 4.3, you'll need the remaining parts from bag J. You also need these 4 M2.5 by 10 cap head screws, one of which was already installed on the gearbox housing. You also need this black graphite grease. As far as these, you'll need these 2 E-clips. These are M3 E-clips. You'll need 3 5 by 8 by 0.5 spacers and 4 5 by 8 by 0.1 spacers. And that completes step 4. For step 5, we're going to work on the transfer case. For that, you'll need the transfer case. You'll need 5 M2x8 cap head screws, one of which is already installed on the transfer case. You'll need these 2 M2x8 pins. You'll need 5 5x8 by 0.5 spacers, 1 4x7 by 0.5 spacer, and all the items that are in bag I. Make sure you pay attention to the spacing of the holes on the shaft. The one that has a gear closest to the edge is at the bottom of the transfer case. And that completes the transfer case, step 5. Alright, once you have the transfer case completed, take out the guiding shaft right here and put this one in. There we go. And that completes the transmission, and that completes step 5. For step 6, you'll need the following. You'll need 4 M3x8 buttonhead screws, 1 M3x10 countersunk screw, and 1 M3x6 countersunk screw. Longer one goes towards the rail. Shorter one towards the middle. Just make sure everything still spins freely. And that's it. That is all for step 6. And with the completion of step 6, that concludes this part of the Boom Racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 388 build series. We pretty much finished up the transmission, putting together the gearbox and the transfer case, and mounting that up to the chassis. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future updates on this Boom Racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 388 kit build. Thanks for watching.